Today, we are going to be comparing the newest AI model in town, which is DeepSeek. We'll be comparing it against the tried and tested OpenAI's AI model, which is ChatGPT. We are going to test its similarities, its differences, and how humanly they can interact or give response to human. We're also going to check which one is good for students, what the one student needs to use to do what they used to do. Yeah, boy. We are going to throw some complex mathematical questions to it. We are going to check its response time. For the meantime, if you've not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and let me know what or which AI model you're going to use. Is DeepSeek able to compete with OpenAI? Let's find out. So I have the ChatGPT and DeepSeek interface here on my screen. We are going to start simple with just telling hi to these AI models, and we'll see how they respond. So this Steve said, hello, how can I assist you today? And ChatGPT said, hey, how is it going? They basically have the same interface design. Proceeding, I also asked if they know about each other, and their response was fairly accurate. They said they really know about each other. So I also asked it if they can generate pictures, but DeepSeek can't generate pictures. ChatGPT proceeded to tell me they can generate pictures. So our next test will be testing the math questions or equations that I'll be submitting to these two AI models. So I copied this simple math question, pasted them into ChatGPT and DeepSeek respectively, and I was checking or waiting to see which could answer first, and I couldn't even see which one answered first. All I saw was the answers. So let's go again with something more complicated. I also tested if you could input pictures that had math question in it. For ChatGPT, I knew it was already possible, but I wasn't sure for DeepSeek, so I was really hesitant to test with it. But to my surprise, this DeepSeek accepted the picture format with the math test in it, and it was also able to give me some calculations and explanations on how to go about the math test that I gave it, or the math questions that I gave it. Just that it explained, or it had a lot of English in its explanation, giving you step-by-step explanation, whilst ChatGPT went straight to the point. And let me leave you to be the judge of that. So at this part, I wanted to also compare the file upload of these two AI models. I uploaded a whole question set. DeepSeek started straight away and started providing me with the answers, but ChatGPT was a little bit tough to deal with. I never saw where the answers were. Meanwhile, it already answered the question, but I just didn't see where it answered the question. That they both do the same job, but DeepSeek made it simple and ChatGPT made it a little bit complicated. I proceeded to ask DeepSeek if it can generate images, but it told me it can't generate images at the current time. But ChatGPT, as we all know, can generate images. So this is a very big drawdown from using DeepSeek. It can't generate images just yet. Our next test is to test the coding abilities of these two AI models. If they can just write a simple program or a simple Java program, I want to see its readability, how it's able to compose this Java program, how is able to present these programs. So I asked ChatGPT to write a simple Java program about history or about US with a true or false possible answers. I also copied the same thing to DeepSeek, and I sent them at approximately the same time. So when I sent ChatGPT's own, ChatGPT just started giving me those answers, and so yeah, the codes they are all providing. This is a Java program, so from the little Java that I know, I can say they are pretty accurate. DeepSeek is giving notes or is giving clues on how to run this Java program, while ChatGPT just give you the codes in the bare format. So let me know which one you choose or which one you'll be using for your learning. So in this test, I wanted to test the voice chat feature with ChatGPT and DeepSeek. So let's see.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Have you heard about DeepSeek?
It seems like you might be asking about something specific. Could you provide more details? I'd love to help.
Have you heard?
I can't see any image or photo. Could you describe it or let me know what you're referring to?
Have you heard anything about DeepSeek?
Could you please clarify what you're asking about? If you provide more details, I'd be happy to help.
Doesn't ChatGPT pick up my language?
So at this stage, I knew ChatGPT wasn't getting what I was trying to say, and so I think this wasn't a really good time with the chat. So basically, I'll still recommend ChatGPT for students. I did this test practically for students because DeepSeek has no image generation, it has no audio conversation. It was really fun doing the math test and the coding, but like it has to also catch up with the pace OpenAI's model is going. And I think in a year or two they'll also catch up. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please please hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you have any issues or any comments about DeepSeek. And yeah, don't forget to share my videos. Okay. So bye.